Welcome to Hiremath classes. Dear friends, today we are going to study about direct speech and indirect speech. So, direct speech and indirect speech. Here, we may report the words of the speaker in two ways, and we may quote his actual words, that is called direct speech, and we may report what he said without quoting his exact words. This is called indirect speech or reporting speech. And here, if we take one example, it will clarify. So I have taken here the in a direct speech. Ram said, "I am very busy now." Who said? Ram said, "I am very busy now." So here one is reporting verb. What is reporting verb? Ram said. This is reporting verb. And I am very busy now. This is reporting speech. And then I will do indirect speech. What changes will happen? You listen carefully. Ram said that he was very busy then. What the Ram said? In indirect speech, Ram said that he was very busy then. So the changes we shall see. What changes? Means we used that the conjunction in the indirect speech after said, means after reporting verb, and then the pronoun changed, means I pronoun was there and here I becomes he, and then the helping verb am is changed into was, and then the adverb noun changed into then. So these four changes happens in indirect speech. So dear friends, so many rules are there. Means what are the rules are there for changing into indirect speech? I will tell you. Simple present becomes simple past. I will tell you one example and it will be more clear to you. He said, "I am unwell." He said, "I am unwell." Direct speech. And when we make indirect, he said that he was unwell. And you understood. What you understood? He said, "I am unwell." In indirect speech, he said that he was unwell. What the changes happen? Simple present becomes simple past. And that conjunction added already. And I becomes he and am become was. So simple present becomes simple past. And then I will go to the next rule. A present continuous become past continuous. I will give one example and it will be more clear to you. He said, "My mother is cooking food." Direct speech. And in indirect speech, he said that his mother was cooking food. He said that his mother was cooking food. Means present continuous become past continuous. And then present perfect becomes past perfect. I will give one example. He said, "I have passed the examination." Direct speech. And in indirect speech, he said that he had passed the examination. So rule number 4. Simple past becomes past perfect. I will give one example. Rule number 4. Simple past become past perfect. So direct speech I will tell you. He said, "The man passed away in the night." The man passed away in the night. It is in the sentence of simple past tense. In indirect speech, he said that the man had passed away in the night. The man had passed away. Means simple past become past perfect. And rule number 5. In the reporting verb, if the person has mentioned, there will be told in the place of said. In the reporting verb, if we mention the name of the person or the pronoun, so the said is changed. Means in the place of said, there will be told. So I will give one example. Direct speech. Father said to me, "It is a birthday gift for you." In indirect speech, we will see, father told me that it was a birthday gift for me. So here in a reporting verb, direct speech, reporting verb, if there is a person. The person is there already. Father said to me. Me is a person in the reporting verb. So that's why in the indirect speech, father told me that it was birthday gift for me. Here, told comes in the place of said. And rule number 6, I will tell you, if the reporting verb is in the past, some changes will happen there. So here becomes there. This becomes that. This becomes those. Now becomes them. And today becomes that day. Tonight becomes that night. Yesterday becomes the day before and the previous day. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Ago means ago becomes before. Thus becomes so. Will becomes would. Shall becomes should. Can becomes could. And may becomes might. So, dear friends, I will tell you in the next video because the time is very important. So, I will tell you and I will show you some changes, and in the next video, I will tell you in a clear. Direct speech and indirect speech. We may report the words of speaker in two ways. We may quote his actual words. This is called direct speech. We may report what he said without quoting his exact words. This is called indirect speech or reported speech. By the example, we will see the rules. Direct. Ram said, I am very busy now. This is the Ram said. This is the reporting verb, and I am very busy now. This is the reporting speech. Please listen carefully. Indirect speech. Ram said that he was very busy then. And changes we shall see. What the changes here acquainted. Here we used that conjunction after the reporting verb. And the pronoun changed I becomes he. And the helping verb am changed into was. And the adverb now changed into then. Then rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. Simple present becomes simple past, and I have given example. Direct, he said I am unwell. Indirect, he said that he was unwell. A present continuous becomes past continuous. Direct, he said my mother is cooking food. Indirect, he said that his mother was cooking food. A present perfect becomes past perfect. Example, he said I have passed the examination. Indirect, he said that he had passed the examination. Simple past becomes past perfect. Direct, he said the man passed away in the night. Indirect, he said that the man had passed away in the night. In the reporting verb, if the person has mentioned, there will be told in the place of said. In the direct speech, father said to me. Here person is there, means in the reported verb. So it is a birthday gift for you. And indirect, father told me. So here in the reporting verb, the person mentioned. That's why the said is replaced by told. Told me that it was birthday gift for me. And this is the rule number 5 and 6. If the reporting verb is in the past, some changes will be there. Means here becomes there, this becomes that, this becomes those, now becomes then, today becomes that day, tonight becomes that night, yesterday becomes the day before, the previous day, and tomorrow becomes the next day, ago becomes before, thus becomes so, will become should, would and shall become should, can become could, and may becomes might. Dear friends, so in the in the problem of time, so I will make next video, and the rules I will tell you in the next video. So here I will stop. So dear friends, if you like our video, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. It will help us to upload our future videos. Thank you very much.